fried chicken,
Yung pala
spaghetti,
baka naka-inbox ka na yata eh.
minoto, lumpiang Shanghai. Yan, andito na naman kami, nagkatipon-tipon. Kaming mga Pinoy dito sa Opava. Silin ang aming cook. Always, as always. Silin ang aming cook as always. Birthday ni Benji. Jay, happy birthday. Yan, birthday ni Benji yan.
Ano sabi niya?
Yan si Mel. Okay, kain tayo. Oh, spaghetti. Ang daming niluto nila na spaghetti, oh.
Nagising mo na?
Oh. Dami. So, dito muna kami mag-relax. Ganito lang naman kami rito. Kakaunti lang naman kami mga Pinoy sa Opava. Kaya pag may mga okasyon na ganito, nagkatipon-tipon kami. Yan. Yan. Si JB, si Angelo, Pencil.
Mga Mayo na?
Yan.
Ng sumunod na taon?
Clay,
September pala.
Robert,
July. Happy Bulus.
si Rolly. Bro, say hi.
Andun so cool.
Len, hi muna Len.
Ay, tumingin, naligo. Buti na pala ng kanila.
Wala na pa rin akong gising.
Wala pang gising yan.
Oo.
Ano sabi mo sa akin, Master? Pagkakataon ko na may ligaw?
Kuha rin nakain tayo. Kuha rin nakain tapos padadansin mo. Eh na. 1, 2, 3, go! Dance! Bobo! Nakain mo! Nakain niya eh. Babatukan mo siyempre bago magdadance. 1, 2, 3, take 2.
Kawawa ko eh.
Ano to, drama ah?
Oh, drama nga.
Oh, drama.
Huwag mo na isama yan. Yan. Ang tamang batok lang.
Oo.
1, 2, 3. Dance! 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 Wala kasunod! Pangit! Pangit ang video mo! Wala Wala kasunod! Pagod mo!
Umalis yung nanay ko. Nagkikala ko na napratik ako. Ano yan? Isip na nanay ko. Ako'y susunod hangin nun.
Pangit! Hindi naman hindi sumayaw!
Napratik ng nanay ko. Dance!
Hindi sumayaw tuloy! Pangit yung batok mo eh! Tanga-tanga mo naman! Dapat meron kang agad kasunod!
Sige, sige, sayaw. Ano ganyan to?
Wala lang, kinain ko na nga, kakain mo na.
Dance! Dance!
Ahoy! So, sinundo ako ni Hana rito sa Kinamel sa Filipino community dito sa Opava. Oh, lumpia, Shanghai.
Lumpia.
Okay, you can try.
Wow.
Wait.
Smell amazing.
Yeah, smell amazing.
Thank
Try.
you guys.
Lumpia. Oh my, of course, yes.
Next time you need to take me.
I even refuse to take it because I'm shy, you know. Yeah, si Len ang nagluto niyan at saka si Mel. Yeah, lumpia. Lumpia yan, lumpiang Shanghai.
Where did you get the ingredients?
Now there is a Filipino store in somewhere in Tesco over there, and they get the lumpia wrapper. The most important is the wrapper.
So delicious.
Yes, of course, yeah. Yeah.
I'm coming next time with you.
How about it,
Did you
Pinkay?
have a pancit?
We have spaghetti, but we don't have. We didn't have pancit. But spaghetti.
Spaghetti like in
Jollibee spaghetti.
Jollibee spaghetti.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sophia, they had a Jollibee spaghetti.
Yeah. So I really enjoyed the time with Mel and company. Again, Benji, happy birthday, and
happy
enjoy
birthday.
the rest of your day, your nights. It's already like, what time is it? It's 6:30 in the evening, and yeah, just enjoy your remaining hours of October 25. Yeah, and
the
next
birthday?
time. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And singing karaoke.
Of course.
I guess that if the flat would be bigger, they would play even basketball.
I said like how I wish that this thing is allowed in Radun, in our village, but it's not.
No, but you can take them to play basketball in Radun school.
Oh, that's during summer, but not this time around.
Yeah, during
Yeah.
the summer, yeah.
So Sofia, galing yun siya sa kanyang competition doon sa malayong lugar. Nag-train pa sila. And then Hannah just pick her up from train station, and for us time to go home.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
instead of medals, you know what I won?
She has a five
Awards?
Awards. You know why? But you know what? I didn't win anything. I did win a diploma. But you know, instead of medals, we
What
got
did you win? What place?
gingerbread.
What place? Second place?
No, like sometimes third, sometimes second, sometimes first. It depends what I'm swimming.
Wow. I'm so proud of you, Pinkay.
Yeah.
To be in the competition, I'm already proud of you. Last two competition, you got always first place, but this one is like from different place. So she got second place in,
I don't know how to look.
what was that?
I think
She got so many that she doesn't remember.
I got second place in 200 meters backstroke.
Wow, I'm so proud of you.
And I think first.
Yeah, keep it up, and
To be honest, I'm surprised I was on the podium because my first race in my in Czech Republic, like usually I don't win anything really.
Wow. So finally.
last two competition, you won first place.
Yeah.
I'm really proud of you. Okay, darling, eat more.
No, I'm gonna drive. So.
Okay, just put it there, and okay, let's go home. Again, Mel, Lynn, JB, Benji, Angelo, Edsel, Ray, Robert, Ron, Rolly, salamat sa inyong company. Salamat sa inyong samahan at isinama niyo ako sa inyong
Salamat
grupo.
for lumpia.
Salamat. See you next time. Ingat kayo. Niyaya ko ni Hannah rito mag-breakfast sa Globos kasi meron daw siyang 30% discount. Ang dami niyang mga discount. May mga voucher, may mga discount. Oh, maganda na rin mag-avail para tipid. Okay. What I'm gonna eat?
Bagel. It's a mozzarella? No, cheese. Cheese. Only a cheese. Coffee.
Sarap. Yan na naman, oh. Kunya to, dessert. Tapos na siya mag-almusal sa bahay. What kind of coffee is this, darling?
Latte with soya.
Latte with soya.
Soya milk.
My favorite kulach.
You cannot give up, right? I know. It's only the way how you stop eating this collage is to move out from Czech Republic.
That is really true. That is really true.
Because I completely forget the taste of collage when I was in England, and if I will be honest, I didn't miss it. But since we came back, and you always eat collage, I joined you. I am in your club. I am a collage club now.
Sarap. Sarap talaga nito.
I know, darling, when you're gonna find the job in bakery. Maybe if you're gonna work in bakery, you will hate the collage because you will see how difficult or how hard is to work.
If you smell the bread every single day in your life, how they bake it, you would not dare to eat it. Because in the village, we used to have a neighbor who owns the bakery. And the people there that work, I knew that I always said to them, oh, if I work there, I would I would really taste all the bread. And they said to me, you just said that because you didn't work here. But if you work here, you would curse the smell of the bread.
I don't think so. Because I've been working in a bakery as a student for whole 2 months, and for that whole 2 months, the smell of the sweet bread coming from the oven, my saliva always drooling.
Because you're not the ones baking.
Yeah, I was baking it. We were making it from the base to the end. And it was really hard work. Really, bakery is really hard work. But I never stopped liking it.
Hindi sumama si Sofia sa amin. Tamad na siyang sumama. Sofia, she has her own world. She's now even lazy to come with us. Before, oh my goodness. Big girl na talaga yung aming baby. Yeah. Sandun na sa bahay. Nakaupo doon. Nilalaro si Sisi. And I think she's okay with it. Magpapasko na rin dito sa Czech Republic, oh. Naglagay na sila ng kanilang Christmas decoration. Ganda. Ganda ng weather ngayon dito sa Opava. Medyo mahangin. Nagsisipaglaglagan na yung mga dahon. Darling, where are we going?
We're going to Super Mall. Only one mall in Opava. Where you can get almost nothing.
We are going to buy this
Uber?
hover because I was complaining upstairs. I was like always dusting the floor, and you know, it's not really good. You cannot really clean properly when you're just using the broom or the mat, right? But there is like a machine hover for the floor, so I wanna buy it.
You can. I think that I need to give you a training proper how to clean the room. Yeah.
Eh, puro maganda ang panahon. So, pero sa labas pag naka-jacket kami ha, kasi malamig to pag naglalakad ka. Pag nasa labas ka, malamig pa rin. Kaya naka-jacket kami kahit may araw.
Hopefully then we will be home soon and I wanna go out with Sissy.
Yeah.
Tak potom stanice, v které se to nabíjí. Jo, tam to vlastně dáte a tam se to nabíjí.
Ito yung bibilin.
To teď jste to pustila a tohle přidáváte nebo ubíráte tu salo. Jo, teď jste slyšela, že to míň.
그래서 그냥 상그럽게 버스에 그룹에
So, have you chosen one?
I mean, I know that this one is cheaper. I'll go cheaper if it's the.
But the quality, you know? Okay. It's up to you, you choose now. My job is just to pay. But you choose
The price is
3,239
500 crowns.
against 2,700.
So let's check this
2,240.
one in the next room.
Ito nga, binili na namin, oh. So at least hindi na ako gagamit ng dustpan. Ayos. So, yan. Are you happy?
Well, I'm happy for you that you don't need to.
You're happy for me, huh?
That you didn't need to.
Use the dustpan.
Yeah, because the stairs were alright, but upstairs it's really like very dusty all the time.
Yeah, because we have big windows upstairs. Very big windows.